Make sure it's on now. Is there sound to it? Make sure it's on now. Is there sound to it? Just brutal. Reaction of 57 was 2 points off being an exact double high. We're currently in a FEG for up, but there's another one lower. Can I set like a market order on this? I want to figure out what these buttons are on this. So buy ask that. So buy is where it is. Buy bid. Same thing. No idea. Um. Yeah, I wouldn't mind being in a long, but I don't want to. I want to figure out how to actually set a market order. Or set like a, when it's coming down, I want to have it placed already. Um, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Um, but look, yeah. When was the last time it was up here? 23rd. So it's been down for like 2 days, is it? Three days. So yeah, it was just on Friday it was up there. And then it just had a thing, little drop. It may push new highs. If it rejects, I'm gonna short it. Um, it's a big candle up though. Doesn't really look like it's gonna reject. It looks nice. Where is here? Oh wait, no, it kind of does look like it's gonna reject off. It literally just came up to those and then took highs by a couple of points just and dropped. I wonder how I draw on this one, right? Is Yeah, it is looking okay for it, Um, I'm gonna wait though, because it did break the high. It might just be setting a new low now, just to run up higher. If this candle closes on it like this, I'm gonna take it up. I don't even know if I'm doing this right, on this one. know. Oh, that's not good. I didn't mean that. I don't know how to close it.
What is it?
It's placed an order.
Why?
Um, I don't. I thought it would ask me to confirm again. It didn't. How do I close it? I assume I just hit sell, right? Is there like a way for me to do like how do I put like a stop loss in or something like that?
Maybe you should have learned how to do that before you just delved in to look at the chart.
Yeah, but like I thought it wouldn't be that different than trade of it, but it kind of is. Closed positions is here, okay. First break even. How do I put a stop loss and shit in? Okay, that's nice. It's not a big trade anyway, but oh wait, we'll do a limit of P. I'm just gonna let it run just because I'm just fucking around anyway. Right, there we go, it's out. So 375, right? That's fine though, because now I know how it works. And then if I flatten, there we go. I wanted to short if it rejected to, and I hit bid to see if it would come up with that. You know, it usually comes up and says do not ask again, but it didn't that time. It's broken the structure now. That would have been good. Whatever. So we have a fair value gap. It's just filled. And a support. Is that? Oh, probably should have just held that long. I don't feel like I should take another one though. Like this quick after fucking around like that. Ah, fuck.
What, baby?
There was there's one I said earlier, but the fair value gap it came down, and I just put my stop loss in so it didn't go too far down. Because I was more thinking about, you know, how does it work? If I had just kept my stop loss, would have been back up to break even, and it's going to go higher. I hope it doesn't. Just so I didn't make a bad decision. Oh well though.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
I want to know how I do more stuff though. And what if I want to get rid of this line? Can I just not just delete it? Is that not a thing? Oh, I'm clicking button somewhere else. I have no idea. Um, I don't know how it works. It's rejecting all the exact same thought. Don't ask again. I have a stop loss below lows. Like, what the fuck's happening? What just happened? Like the stop. Okay, so it made my stop loss one tick automatically. So it stopped me out immediately.
So, can you change that?
Yeah, so automatically it'll be put to 10 and 20. Um, 10, 20, okay. Now how do I draw a box? Nope. Kind of want to do shortcuts and stuff like that. Negative entry of it would be nice. To trace that entire candle for the 20 minutes. I'm going to take a long interval off resistance. And then I'm going to have a stop loss fully below this low, which is where I wanted my long to be. Day profit I'm going to have up to 47, so overall it'll be like 10 points I'm looking. Risking 4 to make 11. Gonna do, I feel like just risking 4 to make 8. Do a simpler trade, right? What would 8 be? 34? 25? The only thing is I probably shouldn't be taking longs because it has just bounced twice off that top part. But it's just had so much issues here, like, you know, staying above it, getting past it. It just hasn't been having a good time. And it's been going up for a while. Oh, I didn't mean that. Oh, out of the line, delete line button down here. That's the looks of it there. I'm not gonna just come back up to. I feel like I'm gonna have to break even now. It was almost a take profit, so it was, which sucks because it was, you know, right there. I think I just set my target a little too high. And I'm not gonna just let it almost hit profit and then fuck me. I want to see that fuck me more. Moving like that to break even. Nah, I think it was a good call. A big wick like that. I'd love to take a short on a wick like that, but because of the, let me just find this out. The rejection I had, I don't really feel like that. Well, I got out at the right time anyway. I'd have been fucked. Kind of looks like a liquidity grab, right? I hate that. Like, it won't just make it shorter, like made the size of my channel, and that's it. um, Oof, got wrecked. I still don't really understand it, to be quite honest.
Why? What is it?
Everything.
Is it buying and selling?
No, I know how to do that, but I don't really know how to put all my stuff down to be able to actually tell me when I want to buy and sell. And I've just been kind of doing to do. Um,
Madagascar.
want my sound off. Go to TikTok for the story of it. Notice I do this every time. I'll sit here and think about what am I going to say for a TikTok story. Um, right. I hate doing this story. So we're now live with the late day Nasdaq trades, and we start our live stream up. We have a new account with Apex on Quan Tower, and we're down 700. I don't really know how to use the platform yet, so come to the stream and help me, like understand shortcuts and things like that. Or if you're just looking to trade alongside someone who can lose money quick. Not important to say.
Confidence is key, but fake it till you make it.
There's just nothing going on right now. It's in this little range, and this little range isn't what I'd like to be in. Here. It does look like it's just, shitting, coming down to a low that it set earlier, about an hour and a half ago. An hour ago, never mind, 40 minutes ago, something like that. That was its rally low. So it rallied way up, had a huge pullback, and then it pulled right back up. I feel like if it breaks the low, I'm now into a downwards sort of thought. Still not doing nothing. Here, if it's going to reject, it's going to do it now. within the next 2 or 3 points. But right here is where it rejected on the 30 minute, even though it had closed below it on the 1 minute. On the 30 minute and the 5 minute, all those closes were way up high. Let him.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like taking a stab long with a 4 point stop loss. So I bet we're going for it. I'm literally just playing rejection here. I still wanted to come back to this for a value gap. It's the only for a value gap it's had. Oh, wait, did I knock it in? I didn't get in yet. So I don't buy a bid, I have to buy ask, is it? Um, that was silly. Now I don't want to take it in case it's not a good trade, then I'm way up in risk, you know? But I bet you there's rails what I would have done. It's not really good. Oh, look at it, it's going. I should know the difference between ask, bid, and market right. That's something I should know.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if it pulls this entire move back, it's kind of looking like it's building up a bearish structure, right? But not in the 5 minute, 30 minute. It's still kind of looking still held structure so far, technically. You know, for bullish, it hasn't quite broke it yet. I really wish that buy had went through. So which one did I say not to do? Bid or ask?
Mm-hmm.
Bid, wasn't it? Let's see how it goes. One, two. Well, it had a big breakdown straight through. No, that's gonna drop. I see it coming down to around the 11s here, at least. I've yet to place a sell. I've been nervous to push that button in case it does something else. So I've just been hitting buy even when I don't think it is. Literally just pushing. I want to fill this candle at least. So where do I want to come to the 11s? Take one off here when it fills the candle. So we've got one order successful. Next one's going to be a break even because I don't want to be risking too much here. Oh wait, I didn't move it. Yeah, now I moved it. We're good. So if it comes up, it'll break even me, but a little bit above break even. There we go. I don't know what the positions thing is. It doesn't seem to work very well when it's like that, so I'm just gonna like move it. Oh, it hit me out, and then I should have held this right. I know it's gonna go down to the 11s level, but the only reason I got a bit nervous there, I wanted to break even it, and I do want to be in the trade. I just want to be in the trade from higher up. I'd ideally like to be in it from the 24s. It was bid me. Oh no, I got another trade. Oh, I thought bid meant I can like. God damn it. Well, it's went up anyway. I'm 1720s. Oh, I'm on 5. I was meant to be on 3. Oh. Well, it's not going that well, but I'm also not really. Don't really know what I'm doing. We'll wait. Right, we'll wait until we have something clear. I'd like to see it come back to here. Realistically, right? That'd be a nice little area to bounce off of. I feel like going with like a max trade to see, like what the 17 contracts do. I feel like this was the trade I was looking for ideally. Stop loss of the 35s. That would be 10 points. Take profit down 10 points. Be around here. Hmm. I'm in a short. It's my last trade if it loses. I wish it told me how much it was worth. My stop loss and take profit, right? Oh, my take profit's gone. How do I get it back? Um, So it's 5 points of risk for 15. If I just do it to the lows, it's still 5, 4, 10. Just what ideally would like to be at. So maybe 5 or
Did
10.
it already hit there?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has done. I'm looking at the break there.
So was that before it even came down that you wanted that?
Well, here. I wanted it to reject off here, and it did, which makes me now question why am I shorting.
Is the shoe sticking to a strip thing?
Yeah, it's a nice little thing. I want to break even the trade. It's now past the fair value gap, so I don't want it to come back up. Oh, it did too. Not sure. I really don't know what happened.
Did you lose anything?
I don't think so. I think it was up at like a little bit. But I don't know how to check is the issue there. I don't really know how to check my previous positions. It was up 5 points. I'm not in the trade no more, but
was that a good thing?
I think it went for liquidity, and it's literally just I don't know why. I don't feel like it should have been shortened. I have an idea, and I know why I shorted, but I don't know. Like I know I'm questioning it because it did reject, but it broke technically. So my idea was, and it was a good idea. Obviously, it's happening, but it was just that this is a new market structure. Yeah, it's gonna break. It would have hit the profit there. Would have been up 700.
So what happened? Did you get stopped out?
Yeah, I went to break even. Oh shit.
Was that your last trade?
Is there I didn't lose.
Oh.
I got to break even, so I above break even, so it was like I want us to know how much my last trade was worth though, because I know it wasn't much. So I may not do break evens no more for a while. I'm just gonna do one. Oh, I was about to get in for a buy, but I'm gonna do one contract trades for a little bit till I get used to this.
I'm pretty tired. I'm like downstairs.
No problem. Where would I take profit go? Did I get rid of it again? Oh, don't do that, don't do that. How did I get rid of that?
The noises are terrifying.
It goes about 170 on that one.
Was that a seal?
A buy? Yeah. I wasn't looking at to go past here though. I had my take profit at this part, but I deleted it and I don't know how to get it back. And it did break it too. Something must have happened. There must be some nudism, right? Support zones. Structure broke. Fair value gaps now created in the exact same position for a buy. This one's all fucked up now, so we don't need to worry about that. And this doesn't form, you know. Right now it's getting smaller and smaller. Of course, the only trade that goes really well, I had one contract, right? That's because there was no nervousness to it, right?
It's a new.
I had the confidence to hold it a little longer.
This is
because it was even in drawdown. I was like, me, it's one.
This is like new software you're using, so it's obvious that a lot went wrong today.
Yeah. I'll take 3 of it after here. Having a couple of little bounces. Anywhere I bounced resistance wise here? Not really. Yeah, news came out.
Leave this on.
I just got wrecked.
What?
I wanted to be in a buy, but I still want to be in that buy, but it's kind of I didn't get time to move my stuff. So 10 points isn't what I thought it was. I think 10 points is only 2.5 handles, not 10.
What does the 10 actually mean?
Like 10 ticks instead of 10 points.
Oh. Damn.
So
A lot smaller.
So I placed that and it dropped 2.5 points and went back up. Look, I was in it from here. Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? So 2.5, 10 isn't enough then. Can I not put a stop loss and take profit on and then just drag it out? Oh, look at that. That would have been a sick trade too.
And you could just end it when you feel like.
It was a 5 contract trade. It was like £200 too. This would have been a lot closer to £1,000.
So when you've been putting your stop losses and stuff in, how far away is that from your actual?
I put it here, and it got out here. Yeah, and this was the push to break it too. I would have made my losses back.
See, that's unfortunate. That's just unfortunate. There's nothing you could have done about
That
it.
sucks though. I would have made all my losses back.
You probably might wanna.
And now I don't want to chase it.
The conversion thing for how much that means.
I know it just works a little differently than Tradeovate, so I just needed to realize that. I'd like to have a VWAP, you know. I don't have any of my indicators that I usually use.
You want me to get you anything?
You want to get me some VWAP on my screen?
This one.
Oh, here's the area I was looking at to come back to. That would have been a 10-point trade. Oh. It sucks. Let me see. Can we get some VWAP on this? Yeah. I want my VWAP. How did that news actually come out? is it the only one I can click on? The one that's already happened? Yeah, it's definitely that news. So good news. Let me see where I'm on the chart. Got a good price for the chart too. In the 15-minute, 5 minutes, like a nice. Don't know if I call that a structure break per se, as it only wicked above the high. And it only wicked below the low, you know. There was no real closure below that, but that is also a wicket to be fair. But, you know, never got below this one. Oh, that's a nice ass push. Oh, that's a nice push. So I'm in too long. If it comes a bit lower, I'm gonna get more in long. I do believe it's going up. I just want to have the right positioning on it, you know. I'll head into the position a bit if I need to. Um, Let me see. I'm trying to work this shit out still because it's a new broker and whatnot. I think, let me see. I feel like here's a decent enough spot for my stop loss. Let me take profit. We're looking to come up. Let me see. I wouldn't mind running these highs. We had some good news recently. Like just like 10 minutes ago, the news came out quite decent for the Nasdaq, and that's why we obviously see this spike. It dropped, and then it's just been rallying up for a little while. I tried to get in for a long here. I just because I'm on a new broker. I'm using Quantower now instead of Tradevate. I had my stop loss set for 10 ticks, not realizing it was 2.5 points. I was thinking like 10 points, so it stopped me out of that trade immediately. It was a 5 contract trade too. I entered like 24. I got stopped out at like 23. I mean 22. You know, it wasn't ideal, to say the least. Coming down lower now. Let's get in for. Did I click it? I don't want to push the gain just in case. There we go. We're in for another two. So now we're in 4 in total. Stop loss. What's that going to give me? It's going to give me a 4. So we'll get rid of this one. Let me see. I'm just going to make sure. Let me see. So I'm going to risk 500 to make 1,000. Now, the nicest thing that we could see right now would be a big wick here. So when it's up 1,000, we'll have a look at it. But right now, my idea is we're going to run these highs. I'm going to have it up at the highs here. We'll put it this way, right? So we'll go there. This structure though, not looking nice for me, is it? But no, wait, actually looking decent. If that's the new low we're setting, if that is the new low we're setting now, that would be quite ideal for us. We're looking realistically for about a 20-point move, which is a lot. We're only risking 7. Obviously with a like maybe 15-point move would be happy. When it gets to about 15 points, I'm gonna go break even. If it gets to that point. If not, then we'll lose 500 here and we'll be total 1500 down for the day. Normal, stopping point for a 50k account. We'll leave it like that because I don't want to like mess my account up on the first day. I want to be trading this for a month. It's not looking good. It is not looking good. Just hope I've got my stop loss in a good place. Well, so we're actually done 1800 for the day. Come on, run that shit up. Run that shit up. Oh wait, what's happening here? I flattened. We're only down 500. We can be back 1500. Nice, nice. We got our 10 points we were looking for in that other trade. We're having a nice rejection here. Let me see. So we were setting structure. So there's our stop loss and our take profit. We're probably going to get stopped out of this one, but that's fine. I'm going for a little pullback more into this candle, you see. We got it. Put us up to 200 down for the day. Feeling like I should have flattened there, right? Okay, wait, we're down 800 again. Oof. I'm really not sure on how this works yet. Like, at all. Oh shit. Oh shit. It won't let me set a stop. It won't let me set a stop. That's not good. That is not good. Gonna hold till I hit stop, but if that hits stop, we are calling it there. 16. And the news isn't even out for another 10 minutes. There's another little teeny bit of news drop, so let's hope we get a pullback. Fuck. Come on. Yes! What a trade. Right. Fuck, we're down a bit. I'm not risking nothing on that. Good choice, good choice. Oh, I thought I did that a little lower. Look like the way it's separating my stop losses and shit like that. We're gonna have to wait until we get a push, right? And it gets up to about here, we're going break even. I even just flatten at that point, but if it's that, if I really feel like it's gonna go that badly, I'm just gonna flatten. But it's had a lot of rejections off this low, so I do feel it's safe. Maybe it's fake safeness, but you know, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Oh, here we go. We're running it up. We're running it up. What's that bring us to? 18.5. Should I break even this trade? Is there a point in me losing money on a trade? It's up this much. Oh fuck. Where are we right now? We're at 40. That's, I wanted this. That's not a good sign. That liquidity grab. Mm. But here's the thing, right? Every time I see what I think is a liquidity grab, I act upon it. It never is. It always reverses towards that liquidity grab. So I'm not going to act upon this liquidity grab for the simple fact that I usually get it wrong. So if I think this is the liquidity grab, I'm probably wrong, you know? But I don't want that to be new structure forming and then me to just get absolutely reeled. Let's see, let's see. What are you doing? You're going down, aren't you? You're going down. Maybe just below this, though, just in case, you know. Make that a liquidity grab. Make that a liquidity grab. Don't liquidity grab me. Liquidity grab them. Liquidity grab other motherfuckers, not me. You'd never do that to me, right? You'd never do that to me. Not this many times one day. Come on, that's it. You're up there. You're going for it. You're going for it. Ah, you're coming back. You dirty whore. Oh, oh, we're around break even. I like when I float positive numbers. It gives me a lot more confidence, you know. Like when we were up 800 there, feeling good. But now we're not. Look at that big wick down now. There's loads of wicks to the downside here, and there's only a teeny wick to the upside. There's no way that the market is not about to reverse and go up. There's just no way. And I just get stopped out. What the fuck? It broke lows anyway. Huh. Hmm. Eh. Well, stream over.